everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica and today I'm here with my mom. Hello! This is the look we did for her today. I tried to do my everyday makeup routine on my mom. Thấy giống không? Mẹ đẹp hơn. Also, this video is made in partnership with Barefoot Jewelry for their Mother's Day collection. All of the jewelry my mom and I are wearing are from their Mother's Day collection. If you don't know, Barefoot Jewelry is a California-based dainty jewelry brand. You might have seen a few of their stores. They have some in California, Dallas, and Denver. They just launched their Mother's Day collection, which includes all of these mom necklaces and heart-shaped pieces, which are the perfect gift for your mom or mom friends. I'm wearing the puffed heart and rose quartz heart necklace with the dangly puffed heart huggies. I love the puffy look. They remind me of little bubbles. My mom is wearing the mama heart necklace because she's Mama Vu, of course, and the mom heart necklace with this mini charm and the mini puffed heart stud earrings. I love how versatile everything is. I can imagine these with so many outfits. And they're actually doing a sale from now until May 14th online and in store. And on top of that, you can use my code JessicaVu for $10 off orders of $50 or more at the link down below. Now let's get into the makeup. The last time I did my mom's makeup, she didn't like it. Right, ma'am?
No, I do. I like
Earth tones.
Brown and kind of orange.
You want to show them your necklace, man?
Here am I. My
Here's
queen.
mine.
Here am I.
Man, stop! If you guys like dainty jewelry, like smaller pieces that aren't like too flashy or chunky, then you would really like their stuff. Their Mother's Day collection features a bunch of heart-shaped designs. So my earrings are heart-shaped, like all of our stuff is heart-shaped. Today, do you want your eyeliner to go up or down?
Up. I never want down.
Why?
Look sad. I want happy.
Con sẽ làm xuống.
Nah.
Oh wait, we didn't talk about your hair, Ma. My mom dyed her hair.
Yeah.
This is her first time dyeing it, right, Ma?
Yeah. I try to cover my gray hairs.
Why don't you just dye it white, Ma? Honestly, I think that would look good.
The white looks so old.
No, like it looks cool.
Cool, so I have to add like purple in to make it look cool or a little bit more bluish. But then my hair grow out some black it so.
Yeah, then you just dye it again. Usually that's what many do who dye their hair blonde. They have to dye it like every few weeks.
It takes too long to sit it at the salon.
Sunscreen. This one my mom introduced me to.
Yeah, I do that every day. Black hair and gray whatever. Vietnamese call muối tiêu.
What is that? Oh, pepper and salt.
Yeah, so it will show lately my skin look really good.
Yeah, it's really soft.
Really good.
Wait, mẹ xài gì?
I use cái Vita C. Really? She take advantage to
No, you're supposed to.
slap my face.
No, man, do you know you're supposed to pat it in like this?
Whatever, I hit her in the past, so she now the time for her to do it.
Okay, last time I made the mistake of using a foundation that was really dry. It's called, right, man?
Yeah.
The thing is, with more like mature skin, you're not supposed to use too much powder because it can make wrinkles, make it look like you have more wrinkles.
Yeah.
So that's what my mom didn't like. So today we're gonna use like a very glowy base. Do you think I have turned out to be like what you thought I would become in your mind?
Yeah, you always điệu nhất nha. Lúc nào nó chụp hình nó cũng nghe cái răng nó ra. Lúc nào cũng quẹo đầu một bên chụp hình quẹo đầu quá.
Wait, what's quẹo?
Nghiêng lại. Mẹ thấy con điệu nhưng mà mẹ muốn là con to be a doctor.
You knew I wouldn't though because I was not smart. I actually wanted to though because I knew me and Young, my siblings, I knew they weren't gonna do it. So I was like, okay, so like if one of us has to do it, like I don't know what I'm gonna do, so I'll do it. But I was honestly like I don't think I was smart enough to become a doctor.
You think you're not smart but you are.
You don't believe that. So don't even try to pretend.
No. So tại mẹ biết khi mà con đi học á, con không có thông minh nhưng mà con work really hard. So cái grade của con not bad, you know?
Yeah.
So mẹ biết nếu mà con put the effort on thì in there thì nó sẽ work well.
Do you remember what I wanted to do when I was younger?
Yeah.
What?
News reporter or
Oh
something.
yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Yeah, my dad had a camera and he would like connect it to the TV and pretend it was like a viewfinder basically. And so we would just like use the camera and then look inside of it and then we'd pretend we were news reporters.
Whenever we travel, you always make the videos or something.
Oh yeah, I used to vlog like all of the trips and stuff because I don't know if you remember me, but when I was a kid, I was kind of weird. Like
You kind of weird.
I wanted to keep memories really badly. Like I was scared to lose them. So every time we went somewhere, I would like write down about it. I had this obsession with holding on to memories.
When she was 5, 6, she worried about like scared of her mom and dad die or something.
My parents had to like run into my room and console me because my sisters couldn't sleep because I was like, oh my God, our parents are gonna die. Yeah, that's why I was like obsessed with holding on to memories. Our time with our family is so temporary, you know?
I like to do the no contour. I want to do it all and I don't know how to do it.
Con làm mấy lần cho mẹ rồi mà.
Yeah, but I don't know how to do it myself.
Oh. Okay, let me show you. This is the most important step in my opinion. It's the brow bone. A lot of people neglect this one because they just focus on here.
Yeah, a lot of people I know, they do the contour but they didn't do the right way.
Shade.
No. I mean like it looks so you can tell it doesn't look natural. Bo and I will travel and then we will do a vlog ourselves.
Oh yeah. My mom's been wanting to vlog. My dad's a runner and he vlogs his running a lot.
We will fly to Boston tomorrow for the race.
Boston Marathon. Okay, mẹ, blush time.
Brown.
No, I don't use brown blush, mẹ. Well, actually, I feel like orange would look better with your hair.
Yeah.
Oh, I like this one.
Okay.
It's bright for sure, but...
Well, sometimes I use the lipstick to do the blush.
Yeah, I like that too because it's the same color as your lips, and then blush should always be contoured. That adds like a little bit of dimension because blush has a flattening effect.
I think I gained some weight.
Man, where did that come from?
Because
my mom, by the way, like full disclosure, my mom is an almond mom. It's like moms who are like, oh, like if you're đói bụng, just ăn một miếng almond. Just have one almond.
Because I've been running a lot lately and I eat more.
Yeah, it's because you're hungry and you're taking care of your body. It's fine.
Now my face look a little round.
No, it doesn't, Maya. You look fine. We're not almost done, by the way, because I need to go back to the eyes.
Oh, really?
Yeah. What are you guys doing in Boston? Do you know? Other than running?
We have a dinner.
With both friends? But what are you eating?
Italian.
Oh. I think you'll like this color.
Có bỏ cái lash lên không?
Can I? Do you like lashes, Maya? You never wear them.
Nó làm cái mắt mẹ ngứa ngứa. I had no eyelashes. I mean really short, so that's why I really want the lashes.
My mom has this habit where she just stops talking. Well, this is because I'm doing her makeup. But in our family, it's a running joke because my mom will just be like, "Ki ai?" And then we're like, what is the ai? Ai is like the thing, right, man?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bố always say, cái là gì?
Yeah.
What color is that?
It's like a sparkly.
Sparkly. I'm not going to ballroom dance.
Next.
Look like you do a downturn, huh, Chin?
No, I didn't. Oh, I did uneven. If you could go back in time, is there something you would do differently?
I will back to school. Even I'm married when I was 30 and have a first child when I was 31. I was thinking like I can go back to school, but after have baby, my life getting busier and I spend most of my time to raise my kids. Have children is not hard, but raising them is very hard. Yeah, to keep them go to the right way.
Wait, I want to do beauty mark on you. Can I?
Beauty mark?
Yeah. Không mà.
Nah. Maybe on cái này, chứ not on cái này.
Tại sao?
A Vietnamese, người ta believe like if you have some mole at the eyes, like look your life like sad.
What about the mouth? What does that mean? Lucky?
No, not lucky, but they look like more charming.
Wait, here or here?
I don't think it look good.
Fine. Con thích làm cái đó.
Yeah, maybe you, but not me. I don't want any. Hay chứ sao hay? Now, last is time.
Không nhìn đúng.
I think any lashes doesn't look right on me. Chừng nào con làm your own lashes, I will wear it. So Mother Day coming, right?
Mẹ muốn gì?
So, mẹ đâu muốn gì? I always love flowers.
But you're kind of boring, man. You always want the same ones. Growing up, I remember we always got her red roses. But then I was like, red roses are so boring.
I think I changed now.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You like...
Có something nó stuck in cái mắt.
Oh my god! Where?
I feel like con ruồi nó đậu trên đó.
Well, the mantis eyelash, right?
I know, but
Does it
I mean, no, it doesn't hurt, but I feel like cái con gì nó đậu trên mặt. I'm not used to it, so I feel like cái gì nó dính ở trên cái mắt đó. Nhìn nó giống cái con ruồi nó đậu. I think I changed to red rose to the yellow roses.
Yellow?
Yeah, yellow is so beautiful. But I don't care about how expensive, as long as I have flower.
Đẹp quá.
Wow, really?
Would you ever get lash extensions?
No. Oh, I think I got one time.
Mm.
And I never want the lash extension anymore.
Oh yeah, they're uncomfy.
Because I always wash my face. I cannot rub my eyes. Really uncomfy.
Now let's do your hair, man.
What do you guys think? Now she's going to do my hair. I don't know what she's going to do. No, I'm scared. I really like this color. I was sitting there in the hair salon for 8 hours. I mean, first I just want to come like to do my root, and that lady saw my hairs and she said, "Oh, we're not busy today, so you want to dye your hairs?" I said, "How long did it take?" She said like 3 to 4 hours. I said, "Okay, do it." And then I sat in there. I mean, I was so tired and hungry and everything. Left that salon like at 8 o'clock at night. I don't think I want to go back to do this again. I just want like when my hair, the gray grown out, is blend in.
I like the white hair, man. You should just dye it all white.
Yeah, first I came to the hair salon and I said I want like người ta nói màu khói á, là
Oh, like smoky.
yeah. Then I was chicken out and that lady said, "Okay, first just do this."
Dễ thương không?
Oh, giống bà khùng, that's okay. Em nào đẹp vậy? Chẻ cái này ra nhìn cũng giống Wendy vào.
Maybe it's backwards.
No. This look better. Giống bánh bao không mấy con?
Or do you want bows?
No, I have a bánh bao. Cái head của mẹ là được rồi.
Like this?
No, I have a bánh bao.
I can't tell whether you hate or like it.
No, it look good.
Do you like it or not?
Mẹ thích.
Let me give you a mirror.
Mẹ thích mà. Okay. Đây cái gì?
Key?
Để làm gì? Để cho mẹ đeo hả?
Yeah.
I like white.
Oh, this one matches more though.
Yeah, cái này match it more with cái hair.
And this is the completed look. Ta-da!
What do you think?
I think it looks good.
Okay.
You don't?
Thì con nói look good rồi, look good. Wendy, have a bánh bao.
Man, stop. And that's it for this look. What do you think, man?
I like it. More stylish.
Thank you again to Barefoot Jewelry for sponsoring this video and gifting us these items. If you guys want to check out their new Mother's Day collection for your mom or for your mom friends, I'll list all the information in the link down below. Make sure to use my code JessicaVu, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Bye bye.
Want to see more info about that? Then just keep watching.
Keep watching.
Okay. Usually con làm cái đó để more natural.
Tụi con nói nhanh quá.
Wait, and like this. Like this.